Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone's surviving well. So Flissa has sent over a few knives for us to take a look at. If you're not familiar with Flissa, they are a more of a budget-oriented knife company you can find on Amazon. And they're actually owned by Great Star Industries, which own other companies like WorkPro and other tool companies you can find, again, on Amazon. So all these knives you can find on Amazon for under $30, one of which you can actually find under $20. But I want to thank Flissa for sending all these knives out for us to take a look at. I greatly appreciate it. I am a Flissa knife fan as far as budget knives go. But let's take a look at the first knife here. This is the Flissa Folding Pocket Knife with 14C28N Sandvik steel with olive wood. And the box here says it's a 4.25 inch wooden folding knife. That's a 4.25 inch closed length. But let's take a look at the knife. So it's going to be an olive wood and 14C28N Sandvik steel blade, which has a hardness rating of 59 to 61 HRC. It's a nice looking blade, nice looking knife. I love the olive wood inserts there. It is a right-handed tip-up carry only. Full steel liners, liner lock. Kind of wish that they milled out those liners a bit to lighten it up. It is a 3.5 ounce knife. The blade itself is going to come in at 3.27 inches. And overall, the knife is going to be 7.6 inches. Very nice looking knife. I do love that wood accent there, or the wood inserts. So that's the first one here. And this is going for $28.99 on Amazon. Next knife. This is the Flissa Folding Pocket Knife with 14C28N Sandvik steel with carbon fiber and aluminum handle. So, and the box says this is a 4.5 inch knife closed. And again, this is going to have full steel liners. So it is a little on the heavy side, 4.5 ounces, but it is a 3.15 inch blade. Overall length is 7.8 inches. Looks like a right-handed tip down carry. We do have that carbon fiber inlays on the aluminum scales. Liner lock. Centered perfectly. I'm guessing this is kind of like a modified Warncliffe. What do you think? We do have the thumb studs on here. And it does offer another way of opening it. It is very snappy. So again, that is the Flissa Folding Pocket Knife with 14C28N Sandvik steel, again with the 59-61 HRC, and $28.99 on Amazon. Last knife, and my favorite knife of the three. So this is the Flissa Folding Knife with D2 steel, G10 handle. And it is a 4.5 inch closed length knife. It is a right-handed tip-up carry. I had to double check that. We do have that flipper tab. And again, D2 steel, that is very snappy opening. Liner lock. Full steel liners. It is a 2.8 ounce knife, the lightest of the three. 3.2 inch blade. 7.8 inch overall length. And I'm guessing that's a cross between a sheep's foot and drop point. I'm terrible at knife shape, so you tell me, what do you think this one is? This is a nice looking gentleman's knife, if you ask me. Very snappy. D2 steel, G10 handle. Love it. We do have spots in all three of these for some lanyards. Again, this one's almost perfectly centered. So let's do the old paper test. I know everybody loves seeing that. And this is a Post-it note. And let's start off with the gentleman's knife here. I do have a soft spot for gentleman's knives, and this is my favorite of the three. And this is D2 steel, and that's right. That's nice. That's real nice. So if you are interested in any of these knives here, I will leave a link down in the description for all three of them. I want to thank Flissa for sending these out. That is super slicey. I greatly appreciate Flissa sending these out. And if you want to support this channel at all, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. Would you comment down below which knife of the three you like the best? And as always, I want to thank you for stopping in, checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.